Hi everybody and welcome to another video for our Kotlin tutorial. In today's video we are going through range. As we all know, range is a progress from one point to another point. It will have a starting point and end. So let's see what are ranges in Kotlin. As I have already said, range is a progression of values between a starting point and end point. We can use in Kotlin range in loops, conditional statements, or collections for decision making and many more things. As you can see in here, the types of ranges are in here. The inclusive ranges by double dot, you can declare that. You can declare a basic declaration for range, you can see in here. Then we have exclusive range like until range by using until keyword, and by descending order down to that we can use 5 down to 1. It will be in descending order 5 to 1 or 10 to 1 or 10 to 2, 5, anything. We can use with a step keyword for jumping from 1 or 2 numbers or more than that. You can see the basic declaration for all of them, 1 double dot 10, and a step we can use from a step keyword, and you can mention the value, how many jumps you want to have from the range of number that you will specify in there. So we have different examples in demo section to make you understand properly what is range in Kotlin. See you guys in the demo section. Now in practical demonstration of range, I have already created a new project, range demo. You can also do that by going file, under new, click on project, create your project and start your coding. So in practical demonstration, I would have 6 different problems from first to 6. Be with me, continue watching to get everything about range. So the first problem is check if a number is in a specific range or not. I will use from conditional statement, if else statement. So the first thing that I will do is I will get the number from user. What I will do in here is val num is equal to, I will get the number from user. So readLn function, and readLn function is getting the string value, but I will convert that to integer by calling the int function to convert that for us. So the first thing that I have done is let me give a string description for user to understand what he has to do. The description will be please enter a number. So, and I would start my condition. If the number, what I will do is the num variable, and if it is in the range 1 to double dot, for specifying your range from 1 to any number, I would have 10 in here. According to my example, I would work. So I will start the brackets, and inside of the bracket, I will have my statement. In this statement, I will write the number is between 1 to 10. So the first condition is if the number is from 1 to 10, it will print for us the number is 1 to 10. The second condition, by else if, I would have my second condition. The second condition is if the number is in the range 10 double dot 20, then in the bracket I will have my statement what it should do. So it should print the number is between, the number is between, oh sorry, I have not specified the n keyword in here. The n keyword is an operator for checking our range. So now the error has gone. Then if the number is from range 10 to 20, it will print for us the number is between 10 to 20. And the last else that I would have, I will, if it was not in the range from 10 to 20, in the else block, it should print for us, print the number is greater than 20. So this was about first problem. What it will do is, the first condition is if the number is from the range 1 to 10, I have used the sample range the inclusive range from 1 to 10. The simple and basic range is double dot by using double dot, and for each and every range you have to use the N operator. This is the membership operator for checking range. So the first condition is if it was 1 to 10, it will print the numbers between 1 to 10. The second condition, as you know, else if it will have more condition, multiple condition. For multiple condition we will use else if. So if it was 10 to 20, it will print for us the numbers between 10 to 20. It will print the numbers between 10 to 20. If in the else block I would have, if these conditions will be false, then I would have this statement, the number is greater than 20. So this was all about first problem. Let's run our program and see what will happen. So in here I should enter a number. It is suppose 15. Enter. As you can see in here, this second statement is printed. The number is between 10 to 20. This is the second statement, and the second condition that it met our condition and it has printed the number is between 10 to 20. Let's run again and change the number and enter 5 instead of 15. 5. Enter. As you can see in here, the number is between 1 to 10. The first condition that it is met. So the first condition, the number is between 1 to 10. This was all about the first problem with range. Let's jump to the next problem. So the second problem, and from the type it will be the first one. So the second problem is printing 1 to 5 using range, and I will use with for loop. So what I will do is for I variable in the range 1 double dot and 5. I variable will be initialized to 1 at the first, then I have used from range by double dot a simple range. It will go through 1 to 5. So in the for block of code I'll print I variable I. It will print from 1 to 5 for us. You have already covered for. As you can see in here, 1 to 5 is printed in console. This was all about first problem. The second one, and the type it is the first and simple type of range, and the second one is downTo. By using downTo from 5 to 1 I will print by using for I in the range of 5. Instead of double dot I will use downTo keyword from 5 to 1, and each time I will print my variable I to print from 5 to 1. Let's run our program. Let's comment first, not make you confused the previous problem. So after running, you can see from 5 to 1 it is printed in the console. It was all about second problem by using downTo. The third problem is printing even number from 2 to 10 by using a step keyword. I will jump one number, okay, from 2 to 10. So let's start by using for loop. Again I will do that. I in the range 2 double dot 10. I have used from simple range and a step keyword and specifying your number, how many numbers you want to jump. To solve our problem, I will jump 2 to print even numbers for us from 2 to 10, and I will print I variable to print the even number for us. As you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all even numbers. It is printed in the console. This was all about third problem. Let's comment this and jump to the fourth problem is the combination of downTo with a step. I will have a range by using downTo and a step. I will solve this problem. I will use from for loop I in the range. I will come from 20 down to 1, and I will use from a step, and my number that I will specify is 3. From 20 to 1 it will be in the descending order. It will by using downTo, and it will jump 3 steps. So I will print my I variable, and you can see the result in the console. As you can see, it has jumped 3 numbers. First 20, second one 17, 14. 3 numbers jumped by using a step, and it came in descending order. This was about fourth problem. Let's comment this and jump to the fifth problem. The fifth problem is printing number by using until keyword. I will print from 1 to 5, but what in until keyword is doing, it will exclude 5 number for us. it will not print fifth number. From 1 to 5 it will not fifth one. From 1 to 4 it will print. I will use from 4, then I will declare my variable I in the range 1 until 5. Print 1 until 5. It will not include 5 in it. It will be till 4. I will print my I variable to print 1 to 4. Let's run our program and see what will happen in the console. As you can see, it has printed 1 to 4 in console. So this was all about range in Kotlin. We have solved 6 different problems in here by using different types of range. So until next topic, see you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.